Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. मैं हूँ Joe.
और मैं हूँ श्रुति।
Yes, sure. Today I have a
Yes.
song for you that I've heard before, but I thought
Okay.
it would be a treat for you. And it's
Yes.
been highly, highly requested. And now I'm finding myself being like, I feel very bad when people request a song that I know at least once I've heard it, if not more times, and then I don't want to
Mm,
react to it because of that reason. But then when
yeah.
there's such amazing songs, and I did have a YouTube channel when I had heard them. Now I feel like I really want to talk about them. So then what I'm doing now, guys, is I'm making sure Shruts has not heard those songs. So at least one of us has that first time listen reaction.
Correct.
And then we
Yeah.
can discuss that song, after the thing. So now it's season 3 of Nescafe Basement, and of course,
Okay.
produced, arranged, all of that by Zulfi. This is a
Mm.
song called Larger Than Life, and it's the original was by, sounds familiar now?
Yeah, Backstreet
Backstreet
Boys?
Boys.
Oh,
Yes,
what?
I
So
know.
so so explain. I'm a little confused. So Backstreet Boys का this is like a cover version they have
Yes.
created and they're singing. But
Yes.
उसमें मतलब like
No.
desi
I think
lyrics भी है?
there's no Desi lyrics. It's the original lyrics of the original song,
Oh.
but in a whole different new avatar,
What
Nescafe
avatar?
basement avatar. You'll
Okay,
hear
my
it.
interest is piqued now.
Right?
Yes, yes, yes. Come
Yes,
on,
yes,
let's do this.
Backstreet Boys fans.
Back in the day, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on. Yes.
Okay,
Let's do
ready?
it. Yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
Nescafe Basement, Season 3.
I'll be running high when you screaming my name. Alright.
affecting our reality. Every time we're down, you can make it right, and that makes you larger than life.
What just happened? This was better than the original. Like, you know, the original was good in the 90s, yes. But today, when you listen to it, you'll find it, I mean, I find it a little boring. This is like a rock version of Larger Than Life, but like taken to another level. What?
My
What?
heartbeat is just, the last, the last 15,
So
20
there were so many parts. The way they
Yeah.
changed that right in the beginning. I think first verse ke end mein, the way they, oh my God. I can't get over it, Joe. What is
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, exactly. You know, the
They're
last
really good.
I just felt this like surge of energy through me. It's just I can't. Even after so
This
many
is very,
years
very
listening to this
talented,
again, yeah.
How
So
long back was this? When did this?
you tell me your thoughts in totality, and then
Oh
I will.
God, where do I begin? Okay,
7 years
performance-wise,
ago. Sorry, just to tell
7
you.
years.
2014, I
What?
think. Yeah, season 3 was 2014.
Okay, if you just told me कि कल release हुआ है, I would believe that as well, because you know it is wow to take a iconic song like Larger Than Life, which the whole world, like, it's impossible if you're a 90s, 80s, 90s child, and after that, it's impossible to not know that song, you know.
Yeah.
And the reason we make so much fun of it or have spoofs on it or anything, or because it was so famous. It's to take that song and to make it into something. The kind of criticism that can come one's way can be extreme, but like the way these guys have done it,
I know.
like the
I
amount
just-
it's better. It's, if I can say that, it's better than the original.
Yeah.
And I can't get over that. The way they have taken the same line and the rock elements they have used in it, not just the guitar and the drums, they were phenomenal, yes, but
Yeah.
even the vocals. In the
Yeah.
vocals, the way they have twisted in the elements of using voice as an instrument during singing, and what?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I can't get over it.
Yeah. So, you know what I feel like they've done? They were like, okay, this is a great song. And maybe they're also, you know, Backstreet Boys fans or have been before. They're like, we're going to
Who
take
wasn't?
and we're going to make it our own. And in doing that, they have bettered it in every possible way. That's that's just what it is. And I'm seeing here the vocals, Altamash. If I'm not, what a voice, first of all.
What a voice.
He,
God.
I could see him. I just, you know, I don't have the words because I could see him being one of the greats. You know, seriously, with a voice like that and with power like that and a punch like that and just the texture is so.
You know, now that we've seen
Yeah.
this, the next one that, you know, how you start getting more recommendations of a similar one that you've heard, and I see one, Nescafe Basement, Sweet Child of Mine. I mean, if this was
I know
this,
that
which
one.
wasn't originally a rock song, was turned into what we just heard, which was brilliant. Can you imagine what Sweet Child of Mine will do?
I know what it does because I've heard it. But if you
Oh
haven't,
God, I'm going to
we'll do
listen to
that
it
next.
today.
No.
Oh,
We'll,
I will not.
we'll
Okay,
get
I'll
to
wait.
it on the
I will
channel.
wait. Okay.
Yeah.
This is brilliant, and thank you for like asking for this, because Joel ने तो देखा हुआ है. So if your request नहीं आती, तो I would not get to hear it today. So listen to it. So thank you for
It's just-
requesting this one.
It's blown your mind, right? But I have to say the bit they had with the violin in the middle and picking up again the bass man, the guy who played the bass was just Oh, I'm trying to find the credits here. It's not in this video ka description, but I think video ke end mein hai. Yes, Melvin
Guitars and
Arthur.
vocals. Yeah,
Melvin
that was the
Arthur
bass
bass,
guitarist. Yeah,
guitar and vocals Usman Sheikh and Sherry
yeah.
Khattak. Violin, of course, Sharon Leo. Drums, Bilawal Lahuti. And keyboards, Arsalan Hassan. Composer, Sandberg. Okay, that's the original this thing. But of course, I think arranged and produced by Zulfi. Just Zulfi, man. Just
And how? No wonder. No
Where is-
wonder. He had to be behind this for it to sound the way it does because it is so sound. It is so perfect that someone really brilliant has to be behind such a production for it to turn out
Yeah.
the way it has.
and arrangement
Wow.
and all of that.
Yeah.
And I think the most comfortable space is rock for him.
For
I
him,
mean,
yeah,
of
for
course,
him, yeah.
he excels in other these things also, but rock is
But
where
in the
it's
past,
it's
a
really
couple of songs
owned.
that we've heard.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
But
I can't wait. I can't
all-
wait for the next time we're going to
but
get to
all
cover Sweet
all the
Child.
vocalists on this track, special mention. They were all amazing, and the main guy Altamash, what a voice! Please tell us other stuff of his. I definitely want to hear.
I'm not sure if when they were making this, they realized what a masterpiece they were making.
Yeah, I don't
Like
think
in
so.
covers,
Mm.
you don't get to hear this level of a change, and yet standing out, and yet having done justice to the original, and yet holding their own. Because
Yeah.
wow,
Yeah.
well done. Yes, please recommend more.
You're right.
do.
We don't know if while making it they knew that they're creating a masterpiece, but they have. And damn, I wonder if Backstreet Boys have heard this. That's my
I really-
question.
You know, when the track was finishing, I was thinking of that. Like, someone should send it. Joe, you should please just tag them on
I should
this.
tag them. I mean,
Yeah,
I don't think
because,
they'll, but it's worth
They may,
a shot.
they may not. But
Everybody
anyway,
bombard the
you should
Backstreet
hear it.
Boys with this link.
Wow.
Yeah. Hope the Backstreet Boys have heard it. If they have, do you guys know if they commented on it or what has happened on that front? And if not, bombard them with this song across all social media. It is brilliant. And Shoots, you can
And
listen,
Bas,
listen
yes,
to it.
I will.
again.
I will. Yeah.
And
And please head. Sorry,
you-
I'm cutting you and you're cutting. Sorry.
No, I thought
How
we'll get to Sweet Child of Mine, so you get to hear the other
Yes,
one from
yes.
Nescafe as well. We'll get to that soon. Keep the recommendations coming, and even if I've heard some song, if both of us have heard it, we won't react to it. But if only I've heard it, or if only she's heard it, we'll try and get to those requests as well in the future. So yeah,
Correct.
hit like, subscribe.
yeah.
That's what you were gonna say.
No, I was actually saying that we've said the whole thing, but we've not told you where to go. So in case you're new here and you're wondering how to put in that request, head to Jojo's Instagram and DM her and tell her what you want to listen to.
Exactly.
And like Jojo said, like and subscribe. Okay, bye.
okay, live long and prosper.